Trying to get rid of this weird stains on there, and if you look very carefully, can they see it? It's like some newspaper. There's text in the newspaper. All this here is like newspaper. Just slowly getting rid of it. So the front roll on this one's not too bad. I've cleaned it up. It's fine for me. There's a couple of like marks on it, but I think they'll just come out over time. But the back one's pretty bad because it's got, well, leftover paint. That's the best I could do. I mean, I could go more, but I've just scratched the whole thing to hell. So I think I'm going to respray this. Just the top bit of white. That's what I'm going to do. So it's another 3 days. And then got the chrome cleaner on. Don't doubt it'd do anything. We'll see what happens. I don't know, actually, that's coming out quite well. Right, so good thing is about getting the wheels on at this stage is to just check to see if the brakes work. The front brake works, but the rear brake, it does move, but this spring is not strong enough to return. And yeah, it's just this adjusting that's seized. It's just spinning the whole cable basically. When I turn that, it doesn't, just spins the whole cable. So I've got to take it out. And of course, to put a new one in, you have to drop the engine. So I'm not putting the engine back in. I found a new cable online. Quite dear, but you need it. You need it. But not too bad if you have to do the odd little expenditure here and there. How much are we up to? A couple of hundred probably? It'll start adding up. Oh. This was brush painted as well. I'm going to clean it up.
"24 hours later."
Right, so that one's been lacquered. Put that there. I'm going to paint this one up a bit, and painting this one now in the middle of doing it. Give it a spin. As you can see, it's got a load of marks on it, but a little touch of paint should bring it up nicely.
24 hours later.
Right, lacquer this one. Lacquer the headlight. Maybe I'll get the headlight back on today. And then the search for more little bits in the box. Still waiting on parts, but this is ready to go on after I do the brake cable. Still waiting for the brake cable.
24.
going through all my spares. I didn't actually own the part that, well, missed the, what's it called? It's called a drop flap or something like that. So I've just found out all my spares, made a bracket. Does still move, so I'm going to put something else under here to prop it up. So yeah. Oh, made some real progress today. Shame I can't do anything now until that brake cable comes.
24 hours later.
Lots of bits. Now, I wonder if it uses similar C90 parts, because I think I might actually have to delve into C90 parts here, spare ones, because I need a certain type of nut. And it might be the same. So I've got a new rear brake cable, just fed it through now. What a pain, but it's in. I just need to connect it to the back here, and the worst thing is trying to get this stupid rubber thing back into that tiny hole so it sits properly, and it's proving to be rather difficult. For a nut, is it all washers? Carburetor. Oh, that's a spacer, so just in case. Oh, blaster, sorry. Oh, there it is. Moment of truth. Yes! That's a rear brake nut. That is. And that is the one we need. Oh, it's time to put the engine in. So this is going to go here. This goes here, but there's this extra section here. And I'm unsure about that, because that... Oh, okay, fine. That's just an actual engine casing. Fine, cool. This might be easier just to shift the bike gently over the desired location. Look at that. Okay. Let's continue going up. Precisely up now. Okay. I'm going to go up. Okay, grease found. Oh, much easier. Oh, this chain seems a bit short. Oh, still a bit short. Ah, new chain it is then. This is an old C90 chain. It was originally on the other C90, but when I put a bigger sprocket, of course this chain was too short. So, still good, it needs a clean up. I'll just put it on to see if it fits. I'm going to put the pedals on, see if it can cycle. Test the brakes and stuff, but I'll take this off and soak it tonight in paraffin. I think it fits as well, this chain does perfectly. Okay, let's go give it a test.